Hey everybody, today we're going to do another optical illusion. This one is going to be an elephant and a whale, depending on which way you look at it. So this time I think we're going to have to think about both animals as we draw it to make sure that the lines are going to work. So let's start here at the bottom with a big sweeping curve that goes a little higher on the left side. And then from this other side, let's draw a nice big curve up. And then let's bring it down a little bit before we get to the end of the other line. And then bring it out and leave it open-ended here. So it looks a little bit like a teardrop. Okay, now here this is gonna be the nose of the elephant and the whale's tail. So let's just make two little bumps like this, and that should work for both of those things. Okay, now we're gonna put the eye in here. We're gonna put this a little bit closer to the left side. So just draw a circle here. And then we're gonna add the pupil here. I'll have him looking to the left, but that means the elephant will be looking forward and the whale will be looking backwards. But if you put it on the other side, then it'll be the opposite. So here we go. Oh, well, just add a little eyebrow here that can work for both. All right, now we're going to do the mouth of the whale and the bottom of the ear of the elephant. So let's start it with a line here, head it up towards the eye, and then let's stop there. And that should be enough. Okay, now we're going to draw the top of the ear, just a little tiny line here, because we also want this to look a little bit like the spout where the whale can blow the water out. Okay, now we're going to add a fin for the whale, and this will be a tusk for the elephant, so let's keep it simple like that. Then we'll add some wrinkles here where it's bending. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some water. This is kind of fun. This is like if the whale was splashing in the ocean with his tail, or it could be the elephant who's getting a drink and then spraying some water. And that's it. If you look to the left, it's the elephant, and you look to the right, it's a whale. Now you can show your parents, and you can say, what do you see here? And if they say elephant, you can say, are you sure it's not a whale? And if they say whale, you can say, are you sure it's not an elephant? Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.